Acumera has acquired Scale Computing and is retaining the Scale Computing name for the combined entity. Acumera's secure edge networking joins Scale Computing's virtualization technology, and they plan to be a major disruptor in the edge computing networking, helping businesses run AI and other applications across many locations. This move aims to simplify operations, improving performance, and serve industries like retail, manufacturing, and hospitality. The former CEO of Scale Computing, Jeff Reddy, will serve as the president and chief marketing officer, and the company plans to expand its global reach with smarter and more efficient edge solutions. This pairing together and staying under the branding of Scale Computing looks like a really cool move, doesn't it, Jeff?
Well, we'll see what happens on that. I think they're just kind of saying, "Hey, scale computing's in a move where they're basically shouting, we swear, edge isn't buzzwords and boxes anymore." And sure, if you're an IT manager has like 100,000 fast food locations, this type of marriage might mean smoother orchestration, real time AI at the edge, and one less reason to call your SD-WAN vendor, but just kind of tell them that the shake machine's still down. Getting more real, let's kind of pretend that this is all plug and play magic, which it might. It's still edge. That means remote boots, means compliance. We've got troubleshooting boxes. You'll have to troubleshoot in Omaha, Seattle, and Miami from your bed at 2 a.m. in the morning with the only screen on being your laptop screen on bright. But, hey, now it comes with an all in one interface with prettier dashboards and a bigger sales team. On the security front, it might solidify them as being the absolute best in cybersecurity for edge computing in a distributed enterprise, but only time will tell if they can take that belt home with them.